Now let's test the FQ implementation for a large set of data, and then let's do the automated testing using assert function. So we are going to have a const some big number. So this many data we are going to test define the Q with this capacity, then beginning point Q should be empty. Q should not be full at the very beginning. Then let's insert or push data. So Q push I there. So at this moment we could assert that Q front is 0, the very first data, and then Q back is the one we just entered. Also, we could assert that Q is not empty since we have added some data. So push and front back is tested as we do some size, and then we automated the testing. Now we can test the pop function. So let's repeat the loop again. For pop testing. So at the first loop is done, we will see that Q should be full. So at this moment, we could assert that those two things. So let's assert the front is still 0, back is the last data is size minus 1 is a back. We could repeat this comparison by doing pop, then front changes. So front at the very beginning it's 0 as I, but since we do pop and then as I is incremented, the front data changes from 0, 1, 2, 3 as we do pop operations and so on. And then at the end of the loop, we will find that Q should be empty as we complete the loop. So here that we test a pop function, and as do pop, front and back changes accordingly. Those are just we tested it. So let's compile the program. Here assert empty. The semicolon should be there, and the compile again. 31, line 31. I forgot to save that, so let's compile again and let's run it. So all of those testing successfully done.